It's me, Safe People Brooks, the British Tech Guru. I'm going to try one of these USB soldering irons and see how long it takes me to solder this IC, or rather this microcontroller. Let's see if I can even see the perishing thing. Oh, got soldering iron blob, solder blob. There we go. Got rid of that. Okay. Not doing too well. The iron isn't heating up. Light's gone out on it. Try again. Now, where are we? Solder melting yet? Oh, it's just beginning to melt. So we can try this. Oh, and the light's gone out. And the light's gone out again. Oh, the light's gone out. That is not particularly successful. I'm going to say that soldering iron probably doesn't work. Or at least if it does, I might have a bad one. So we're going to say that USB soldering iron is a total fail. Okay, so I'll unplug it. And, yep, not even warm. Well, it is warm, but not very. Okay, so the USB soldering iron is a total fail. So now what we're going to do is we're going to use another soldering iron. We're going to use my 12-volt iron, and we're going to run it off 18650 batteries. So plug that in there, and we'll see how long this takes to heat up, which shouldn't be very long. Let's hope that the soldering iron heats up before the batteries do. All I want to do is solder this. So just wait and see how long is it going to be before is the solder even going to melt? Is the solder going to melt on it? Or am I going to have to go up to my other power source? Oh, solder is melting, that's good. So what we're going to do now is we're going to well, that's promising. And that's 3 pins done. 4, 5, 6, 7. Is that 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Turn it round, do the others. It's a 16-pin microcontroller. I like that. Minimalist, they call it. So I'm going to say that the And I had the USB iron working a minute or two back, but then it kept shutting down when I was trying to solder, which was really unfortunate. So I'm going to say that it's probably not a great soldering iron. It did work. There we go. The legs are on that one. So we've got 12 volt iron, seems to work.